Good morning, student. Today we are going to complete our exercise, that is a noiseless noise suffix of our workbook. So first we come to know that what is a suffix. Suffix is a letter or more than 2 or 3 letters that is used after any word which modify its meaning is called suffix. And what is prefix? Same. It is a letter or more than 1 or 2 letters when it is used before a word to modify the meaning of the word, that is called prefix. Here is an exercise that you have. For how many letters of the alphabet can you find words that end in full and less? Here is alphabet started from A to Z, and you have to write word. Example, from word A, it is artful and aimless. So I write these words in the copy so it is easy for you to note down. Here is the exercise. From A, it is artful, aimless. From B, beautiful, boneless. C, careless and careful and careless. D, say doubtful, dauntless, eventful, endless. These are the words. So you have to write these words from the given images. Clear, student? Now here is another exercise, which is the prefix. The prefix astro. The prefix astro comes from the Greek word astron, which means a star. Can you think of 3 words beginning with astro and give a definition for each? So here is the sentence. The first one is astrology. Astrology means study of the influence of the stars on human personality. The second one is astronomy. Astronomy means study of heavenly bodies. Astronaut. Astronaut means man who goes into space. So these 3 are prefix. Astro. Here are 3 sentences where we use this word and find different type of meaning. Then the another exercise, mistakes. Correct the mistakes in the following sentences. Here the first one, do you play the cricket at school? Students, here we don't need word the. So the correct sentence is, do you play cricket at school? The second one, Meena is taller of the 2 sisters. Here the sentence is, Meera is the taller of the 2 sisters. The third one, she bought the dress for 100 rupees. Here student, we add she bought the dress 100 or 100 rupees. Clear, student? So next exercise. Either our neighbor or his friend have plucked this flower. In this sentence, students, when either each words come before the sentence, it is known as singular. So here we add either our neighbor or his friend. In the place of have, we use here his friend has plucked these flowers. Then the sentence is 2 times 6 are 12. 2 times 6 is 12. The word for the number is singular. So here in the place of or we use is, that is correct sentence. She had danced for 2 hours last night. She had danced 2 hours last night. This is correct. Or in spite of this, we also say that she danced 2 hours last night because there is no other sentence about any event that is occurred before or during or after. So here we use simple past sentence, that is she danced 2 hours last night. Then Mr. Gandhi is one of the eminent people in the country. Here Mr. Gandhi is one of eminent, eminent, eminent people, because eminent mean famous, and IMMINENT, eminent mean likely to occur soon. So here we use EMINENT, eminent word. I have not seen him since I have left Mumbai. Here we add I have not seen him since I left Mumbai. Here, students, you know that in the sentence where perfect tense and past perfect and perfect tense will come along with first the work which is done before, there we add have or had, and in the second sentence that is came after that, there we use only past tense. So here we add I have not seen him since I left Mumbai. Here we do not use word have. Next, can you tell me where is the police station? The answer is, can you tell me where the police station is? That is correct sentence. The girls brought a black small dog to school. Here the sentence is, the girls brought a small black dog to school, because adjective in a list follow a particular order from the general description of the specific. His father want to see you and I. In this sentence, his father want to see you and me, because you is in the objective case and so me is also objective, and it should be used and not I, subjective. So in the place of I we use me, that is objective. Next, he has been coming to this school since 8 years. He has been coming to this school for 8 years, because here for is used for a period of time, since is used for a point in time. Since is used for the given date or month or years. The next one is walking down the road, a bus hit him. A bus hit him while he was walking down the road. Here it is misplaced adverbial phrase. The bus was not walking. Clear, student? Then the next one is, theirs is the house on the corner. So the right sentence is, there is the house on the corner. The last one, the teacher taught the children how to use the present continuous tense. Here, the teacher taught the children how to use the present continuous tense. In this sentence, the spelling of continuous is wrong. So we write the correct spelling, that is CONTINUOUS. So I think, student, that you clearly understood it and you will note down it from the given images. Thank you.